So when you're ready, then we'll back it up to the right, and we'll go out that way to the hill over here. To the other way. Yeah. And what we'll do is we'll just drive around a little bit at first, just so you get yeah. So you get used to the sensitivity of the pedals and the steering radius. So we'll turn right. We'll go to the stop sign here and we'll make a left turn. Left turn, yeah. For the first little bit too, I'm just going to watch you drive because everybody starts at a different level. Everybody's at a different level. So I just want to see where I have to start with you. And then we're going to make a right turn at the top of the hill here at the stop sign. Bumpy roads in Sudbury. Are you from here?
Yes, I am.
Yeah. Born and raised? Yeah, me too. I left Sudbury, went to Toronto for about 7 years of my life.
That must be fun.
It was fun, yeah. That's where I started teaching, actually, in Toronto. Yeah, back in the 90s. Not as much traffic back then, but still very different.
So big, like I have to say.
Oh, yeah. I haven't been down there for a while. I don't know what it's like now.
Very hectic. I was there a few years ago. Very hectic.
Yeah, eh?
Take the bus there. I would never drive there.
Yeah, it wasn't always pleasant, especially on that 401 there on a Friday night. Just around the corner at the four-way intersection. We're gonna go straight.
Okay. Just
Yeah.
gonna creep up because I can't.
Here there's 4 stop signs, so you don't have to worry about creeping out.
Yeah. I just always do there.
Yeah? Okay. You got to be careful about that, though, because if
Yeah.
you hesitate a little bit too much and there's
I know
other
that.
traffic around, they'll go, we'll make a left turn here.
Okay.
Stop. 1, 2, go ahead. Yeah, I'm counting 2 seconds. That just gives me a chance to check left and right. So like 1, 2, or left, right. Some instructors will say 3 seconds. You should wait 3 seconds before you proceed, but I find that's a little too long. We're going to turn right over here. Oh, your signal didn't. You can lock her up again. Yeah, so you're checking your blind spot there before making your right turn. That's good. So you took driving lessons then with somebody, or?
I took it with the register.
Yep.
That was good too.
Yeah. Yeah, we all pretty much do the same thing.
I need to go back to and I couldn't get the car that my instructor has because
Yeah.
it's just cheap. And I understand, like it's all the students, like the 16-year-olds want their G2.
That's
I just
right.
want my road test so that I could buy my car and no longer have to take the bus.
Here we're going to take a right turn. Yeah, life would be much more convenient for you. Sure. Yeah, we keep on going here. We'll make a left turn right where that guy is. Four-way intersection here, we'll make a left turn. Okay. Then we'll go up to the set of lights, and we're gonna make. Actually, let's go straight at the lights here.
Okay. The parents are anxious for me to drive as well.
Yeah, I guess so. So that they don't have to drive you.
Yeah, because I moved out. I'm 27 there, so like,
Right.
And you know you want to keep the costs down,
Yeah.
so you take the bus, but then you figure out the bus is not the way.
Oh, geez. I remember having to take the bus there when I was at university here.
It was alright at university, but it's just getting around like everywhere else.
Yeah.
Takes long.
It took like an hour and a half to get there in the morning, an hour and a half at night, get back home.
I used to live in the valley and went to school at university here.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's a long trip.
that was 3 hours of my life going in and out. I will never get that.
Oh, man.
And that was 4 years of university at the
Yeah.
same time. So yeah, no.
4 years, eh?
Yeah.
Well, what did you take?
I took anthropology.
Oh, nice. Right on.
Yeah.
So this guy's braking here. Okay, right on. We're going to go up to the four-way intersection. We'll go straight there.
Okay.
Anthropology. Cool. My program is philosophy.
Ooh. So we have degrees we love but we use.
Exactly, yeah.
Wow.
Nobody needs a philosopher these days. I don't consider myself a philosopher.
I consider myself a philosopher.
Cool.
Because I am trying to get a job in like the museums that we have here. So
Nice.
I'm at the library right now,
Yeah.
and I would love to do something more of that.
You work at the one downtown here by the school? Right on. It's a busy library.
It is the new Sudbury one. I
Go right up to this stop sign. When you're in the residential areas, of course, you want to be looking for, being prepared for anybody to open a door. If you're going around these vehicles, just like a door length or so, just to allow somebody to open the door so you don't rip the door off, right? I'm going to turn left here, right before the crosswalk. Nice. And now you're allowed to crawl out there. When you crawl out, just steer to the right a little bit so that if somebody turns left, then they have that room.
but we're in left.
Yeah, we are turning left. It's just that you're positioning your vehicle appropriately so there's enough room for somebody to turn left around you here. Yeah. Not one of the easiest intersections to proceed through.
There, you just have to pick your blind spot.
Yeah. Traffic bollards.
Right. One's just gonna whip through. It's not gonna be a pretty sight.
Yeah. I saw this one lady, she stopped right before going through and she gets out of her vehicle and starts shaking the sticks. It looked like she was mad or something, I don't know. Trying to take them out of the ground. Here we're going to turn right.
I also feel like sometimes I might signal
Keep it.
too early.
So the timing of your signal should be maybe about a couple of driveways before you stop. So for example, like right about here, it's good. You could signal now,
Okay.
and we'll make a right turn here. And off you go. So if you wait too long, then everyone else is going to start going. Train tracks, so they do want you to scan looking
Yes.
for a train.
So, another break.
Always looking for little feet around the vehicle too. Under the vehicle.
Yes, under the vehicle, over top of the vehicle, because I have a cat. She goes everywhere.
Oh yeah. Yeah. And we're gonna make a left turn here at the three-way. Little bit. 1, 2, and up. between, sometimes if you can, between 40 and 50, but at other times then you don't need to slow down a bit. You're doing fine. Right turn here. Right. That's good.
One of those ones.
Yeah.
The instructor looked at me like,
The what?
the instructor looked at me like, what are you doing?
Yeah. Well, if there was traffic, then of course you'd have to stop. Oh yeah. Keep the flow going.
Yeah.
And at the stop sign up here, we're going to make a right turn. Yep. Reapply your right signal. There we go. And we'll go up to the traffic lights. We'll make a right turn there. So your speed management's good. You're gradually accelerating to the speed limit, which is 60 here. And we're going to turn right at the lights. Bit of a challenge here at this intersection when the light is red for you here and green for them if they're going through the intersection. You got to keep on rolling and stay close to the curb so when you come out into your own lane over here. Perfect. Now this is difficult going downhill if you keep your foot on the gas. Yeah. You'll see others around here, they're going 100 down the hill and they'll get pulled over.
Oh yeah.
If there's ghost cops there that hang around.
There are, I've seen them. Saw a sports car, they got pulled over and the person did not look happy when the cop gave them their ticket. I just happened to see because I was on the bus here.
Yeah. We're going to go straight at the roundabout. You're okay in this lane? Scanning the intersection ahead of time. Perfect. Cancel the signal. You don't need it. You don't need it at all to go straight through a roundabout.
Right, this is true.
Yeah. The only difference between a normal intersection and a roundabout is that one's round and one's a square.
Right,
We're going to stay in this lane. We're going to go down Maley Drive here. No, you're good here, right here. There we go. And it's still 60 here. A lot of people don't know that.
And sometimes it's so hard when you get an 80 and then you have to go back down to 60.
That's what they're going to test you on to see how well you can manage your speed. Going from, it's fast, from 80 to 50. Now we're on the highway. Are you getting dropped off again at home or?
Yes, I am.
Okay. So let's see how you do with your lane changes at speed. Let's go ahead and make a left lane change.